Hey there, content creators. Are you ready to revolutionize your content with some cutting-edge AI services? Buckle up, because today I'm diving into the top AI tools on Fiverr that can take your content copy and voice to the next level. First up, let's talk about AI content editing services. Imagine having a personal editor available 24/7. On Fiverr, you can find experts using tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to polish your writing, making it clear, concise, and engaging. No more worrying about grammar mistakes or awkward sentences, just smooth, professional content every time. Next, we have AI artists. On Fiverr, you can hire artists who use platforms like DALL-E and Artbreeder to generate stunning visuals based on your descriptions. Need a unique thumbnail or a vibrant background? Just type in what you envision and watch AI turn your words into artwork. It's like having a digital Picasso at your fingertips. Now let's talk about AI sales copywriting. Fiverr has experts who use tools like Jasper and Copy.ai to create persuasive sales copy. These tools analyze top-performing sales copy and generate fresh, persuasive content tailored to your audience. Whether it's an email campaign or a product description, you can create copy that converts with just a few clicks. Speaking of persuasive content, AI ad copy creation is another must-have. Fiverr professionals use tools like WriteSonic and AdsIS to craft compelling ad copy that grabs attention and drives action. From Google Ads to social media campaigns, these AIs understand what works and help you create ads that stand out. Now, if you're looking for specialized advice, AI consulting services can be invaluable. On Fiverr, you can find consultants who use platforms like Jarvis.ai to offer personalized consultations, helping you strategize and optimize your content. Whether you're refining your SEO or planning a content calendar, AI consultants provide insights that can boost your results. Last but not least, AI voice and audio generation. Fiverr offers services using tools like Descript and Murph.ai to create lifelike voiceovers without ever touching a microphone. Need a professional-sounding podcast intro or a dynamic video narration? Just type your script, choose a voice, and let the AI do the rest. There you have it. With these top AI services on Fiverr, you can elevate your content, streamline your workflow, and focus on what you do best, creating. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.